Hi everyone, here is the ninth lesson about how to create or program a game. Today we'll talk about how to move a sprite with a path determined by the player. First of all, prepare sprites and backgrounds. First, draw a car or insert from existing file. We'll click on folder and choose this car, sprite or any car that you'll choose. Click on costumes and then click on edit to remove the white background. Second, edit the added car to make it burn. We could copy the car sprite and click on edit on the copied sprite. And then we draw fire on the top of this car, so it will look like burn. Third, draw the race road. We click on Stage, Backgrounds and Paint, and then draw our race road background. Then we have two costumes of a race road background. Third, draw the obstacles. We click on folder and choose obstacles. We browse this obstacle sprite from any website. We will choose them, or we can choose them from any website in the internet. We click on edit and to shrink the obstacle so it fits in the background, and we remove the white background. Note, you can draw one then duplicate others. We can right click on the obstacle sprite to duplicate it like this. To rotate the car right and left, add turn left 15 degrees from motion to one right arrow key pressed. Second, add turn 15 degrees from motion to one left arrow key pressed. This is an example. We click on the sprite, which is the car sprite, and then we bring from control when any key is pressed, and we choose the left arrow and add to it from motion turn left 15 degrees. And the same thing but on the right arrow. To move the car, first add if command inside forever if command. Here is an example. We choose from control if condition and bring also forever, and then we combine them together like this. Second, add move command from motion embedded in if condition. Here's an example. We click on motion and choose move and steps, and we choose, for example, -1 step or choose any step that we want. First, determine the car costumes in the starting from looks. Choose switch to costume. We choose from looks, switch to costumes, and add it before forever and if condition. And we choose this sprite or this costume, which is the normal car, not the burnt. Note, condition is touching color, example, black or white. We choose from operators this option, condition or condition, and from sensing we choose touching color. And we choose another touching color on the another condition. We bring the color dropper on the black and white and add them to the color box. Determine the direction of the car in the beginning. We choose from motion, point in direction, and choose this direction, for example, which is found here, up, for example, 135. So we write 135. Determine the starting point. Double click on the car after we put it where we want, then bring the command go to X or Y. We double click on the car sprite and choose go to X or Y and add it before this script. To stop the car when it touches the grass or the obstacles, first, add the control command that you want to start the game, forever if condition. Second, the condition is touching sprite's obstacles. We choose from control when any key is pressed and choose, for example, space key. Now we have this script. We have this script. We choose on the touching sprite 3, 4, which are the two obstacles in the forever, or and we add touching the green grass color. Inside forever if command insert, first switch car costume to look burned. We choose in the switch to costume car 1, which is the burnt car. Second, stop all from control. Just add here, just add stop all to this script like this. Move car in a specific path using light command from motion. We shrink the car sprite as we want and double click on it. Then we choose from motion, glide 1 second, X or Y, and enter it. Go to X or Y so it can do this script or apply. To set timer, we should add reset timer from sensing, then use time when we want. We double click on the car sprite and then choose from sensing reset timer and add it to this script. Then add set timer for 2 seconds. Now we can play the game. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Goodbye again.